At Ancestry, privacy is always our top priority, and that extends to how we handle requests from law enforcement and government agencies. To safeguard our customers' privacy from government intrusion, we follow these guidelines. First, Ancestry does not voluntarily cooperate with law enforcement. Our services are intended to help our customers on their journeys of personal discovery, and not as an investigative tool for the government. This commitment is part of the reason that Ancestry does not support third-party DNA data uploads to its system as part of its services. In addition, Ancestry requires that all governmental requests must meet constitutional due process requirements. In other words, all legal rules protecting the rights of our customers must be followed. That means we won't even consider turning over DNA data without a court order. Even then, our legal team will review the order to make sure it meets our requirements and policies. And whenever possible, we'll work to minimize its scope to protect the privacy of our customers. Unless legally prevented from doing so, Ancestry's general policy is to notify impacted users of such government requests before turning over any information. We also publish a transparency report that lists our law enforcement requests by type and jurisdiction. You can find it through the link in our Privacy Center. We know your privacy is important to you. That's why it's so important to us.